Welcome to the next chapter in long haul touring. Today we're introducing the Harley-Davidson Street Glide 3 Limited, a bike engineered to empower every ride with unrivaled comfort, cutting-edge performance, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson style. If comfort is at the top of your list, this trike is built for you to go the extra mile. Let's start with the all-new rear suspension, removing 68 pounds of unsprung mass and doubling wheel travel, enabling improved suspension that is purpose-built for trike riders. Whether you're gliding over city streets or carving through countryside curves, the suspension transforms every mile into a smooth, comfortable journey. Its advanced design absorbs bumps and uneven pavement, so both riders and passengers enjoy premium comfort no matter the road ahead. That's not all that's new. The Street Glide 3 Limited redefines ease of use with its newly integrated reverse system. Seamlessly engineered, this feature empowers riders to easily back out of their garages, parking spots, or tight roadside angles with confidence. You'll never worry about where you park. Of course, the real heart of this machine is the Milwaukee 8 VVT 117 engine with 13% more power and over 7.5% more torque compared to the previous engine. The Street Glide 3 Limited effortlessly delivers thrilling acceleration and a deep, resonant exhaust note. The engine's responsive performance ensures you have the unwavering capability to conquer any adventure ahead. Style isn't just a statement, it's a promise. The Street Glide 3 Limited hits the road with an evolved design on a classic Harley-Davidson silhouette. Starting at the front, the new Batwing fairing not only looks good, but improves aerodynamic performance, while the new fairing lowers offer enhanced wind and weather protection for your legs. They feature adjustable vents for personalized airflow and built-in storage compartments. Together, the results are a significant improvement over previous trike models in overall aero comfort. The new Grand Tour Pack luggage carrier provides ample storage space for two full-size helmets, a 12-volt port to charge devices, and an integrated flush mount LED tail lamp. The new rear speaker placement increases passenger space, while the redesigned lower backrest enhances comfort. The back is finished off with new rear fenders for a contemporary and cohesive design from end to end. This model offers a range of stunning color and trim options, from classic chrome to bold black, including new shades like brilliant red and olive steel metallic with vivid black. Each choice allows you to express your personality and celebrate the spirit of Harley-Davidson. The Streamliner Collection accessories echoes Art Deco elegance and seamlessly blends chrome frames with textured black rubber and polished accents for a look that commands a second glance. The distinctive precision-engineered wheels have black inner spokes and contrasting bright machine-finished spoke edges and rims. Touches that speak volumes about Harley-Davidson's dedication to refinement. Technology takes center stage on the Street Glide 3 Limited. Skyline OS paired with the premium audio system brings embedded navigation and seamless infotainment that elevates every ride with incredible sound. This is the ultimate fusion of innovation and adventure, a ride that keeps you informed and entertained mile after mile. Let's talk rider safety enhancements. This trike features a collection of technologies designed to enhance your confidence during unexpected situations or adverse road conditions. Additionally, the Street Glide 3 Limited now has TPMS to ensure your tires are properly inflated at all times. And all new selectable ride modes lets you tailor your ride with the touch of a button. Illuminate the night with full LED lighting, including brilliant new fog lamps that are integrated into the fairing lowers, offering visibility and style wherever you roam. From daytime running lights to rear LED brake lamps, every detail is designed to impress. Comfort isn't optional, it's essential. With the Street Glide 3 Limited, every detail is crafted for your journey. With heated seats and hand grips, the Street Glide 3 Limited empowers you to ride in comfort no matter the season, so you and your passenger can enjoy every journey. Highway foot pegs provide a place to stretch out, reducing fatigue on long rides, and the heel shifter allows for smooth gear changes. The Street Glide 3 Limited is more than a trike. It's the gold standard for three-wheel touring, comfort, convenience, and confidence. With unmatched performance, stunning style, advanced technology, and every comfort considered, your journey begins here. Visit your local Harley-Davidson dealer today and discover how the Street Glide 3 Limited can transform your touring experience.